Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about the latest TCS interview question for 2024 batch students. So this is the TCS BPS interview, and this interview started with the self introduction, then about the family background, then why TCS, is it okay with night shift and location, then asked a few accounting questions, then golden rules, what is depreciation, what is accrued income, what is prepaid expenses, cost of goods sold formula, what is current asset and what is fixed asset, then what is fixed asset, then what is profit and loss account, what is balance sheet and for what purpose balance sheet is prepared, then some name some accurate equation. Note I have completed BCom degree, so they asked me those accounting question. So this is a easy interview of TCS. Then the next interview is of TCS Digital, and this interview is conducted on 10 July. This interview also started with the self introduction, then about courses, CGPA project details, then role in the project, then what is machine learning, supervised and unsupervised learning, then learn real-time example, Python libraries, Python functions, NumPy and Pandas functions, then detailed about SDLC, then framework, model, spiral waterfall model, what is SQL and its uses, DML, DML, DDL, TCL in explained detailed, then SQL queries, basic and some queries, Fibonacci sequence program in Python, explain the logic of the program. Then in the HR round, they asked about the role model, then document verification, and asked about course and CGPA, difference between CSC and AIML with real-time example. So because he has took AIML in his BTech degree. The next interview is also for TCS Digital, and this interview started with the self-introduction, then about project explanation, authentication and authorization, Python ops, Python code star pattern, laptop to execute, then Python, then SQL join operation, TCP socket and network layer, explain SQL table operation, project. Then in the TR round is very friendly. Then in HR round they ask about the self introduction, then project explanation, relocation, TCS agreement and document verification. So this is also a easy question of TCS Digital. The next interview is of TCS Prime, and this interview they give two pattern and asked to write the code and execute. Then asked to write the login page as I mentioned front end skill in my resume, then about structure and enumeracy, asked about each and every certification I mentioned in the resume, what you have done and what you have learned, asked about family background, then why do you want a job, then what do you know about TCS SQL query related query, then in HR round they ask about introduction, what is latest news about TCS, tell me what you know about TCS in one word, then will you join if you got ninja role, then what are your strength and weakness? Give rating that you will fit for this role in 1 to 10. Are you okay with relocation? Then are you okay with the night shift? So this is also a easy question of TCS Prime. The next interview of TCS Ninja, and this interview about cloud, then why Java is platform dependent, then what is JIT in Java, difference between stack and heap, what is instance and local variable, difference between Java and CPP service provided by cloud. What is S3 simple storage service in AWS? What is AWS in internship? About data structure, about Git command and skill note in resume, and you for relocation and night shift. In HR round, they why do you want why do you need this job? About family background, about any backlog, any offer letter in hand, and relocation. So these are the TCS Ninja interview. So in all these five interview, you can see that all the interview started with the self introduction, then question from the project and technical question, then HR round questions. So when you are going to any IT company interview, firstly read out about the company, in which technology the IT company is working, and who is the current CEO. The current CEO of TCS is K. Krithivasan. Okay, its head office in Mumbai. So thank you guys. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest update, latest interview experience. I will share all IT company update and interview experience in this channel. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel.